Okay, now I'm going to finish this with a Danish oil finish. There's several different kinds of oil you can use. Boiled linseed oil. If you do use linseed oil, make sure it's boiled or else it won't work. There's tung oil, walnut oil, all kind of different ones. This is just your common Danish oil. If I can get the drawer open. And I'm going to pour out a little bit in this can, courtesy of my cat. And just pour out a little bit for now. Take an old paintbrush. You don't have to worry too much about dust in this part because there could be a little bit of dust on this, but it'll wipe off when we do the wiping part. So basically what you want to do is get a bunch of oil on your brush and brush it on. Isn't that nice? It makes that grain stand out. I put a piece of paper down here because you don't want to get oil all over everything. Just go ahead and slop it on. You want to get it down in every little crack. Do some on the end too. It'll help penetrate the wood. When this oil dries, it dries and joins with the wood and makes the wood tougher and waterproof. So now this is fun, sloppy, gooey. Oops, got stuck. Oh yeah, it's gonna soak in pretty fast at first, so I just generally go over it a second time and just get that oil everywhere. Just pour it on there. Okay. That looks pretty good. See, it's kind of nice. It brings out those the different colors of the bark of the tree. Here's a little paste that I missed. Get it in there. Get it in there. You want to let this oil set up for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then wipe it off.